how to check graphics card on Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you want to check which graphic card you are using on your Windows 11, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check graphics card on Windows 11. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, you need to head over to your Start icon and from here go ahead and click Settings. Now that you're in the settings, you need to go to System and from here you need to click on Display option. Once you're in the display, you need to scroll down until you find Advanced Display. Go ahead and click on that. From here, you need to simply go ahead and click on Display Adapters Properties for Display 1. Now, once you're in the adapter type, here you can see the type of graphics that you have been using. I have been using Intel RUHD graphics and with the available graphics memory is 4 GB, and same like that you can also see which graphic you are using. And that's it for today. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.